Visiting Dubai, we took an early morning stroll and came across some common bird species. The Indian myna has established itself in many parts of the world and is at home here in urban and sandy regions. In some countries like Australia, it is a threat to native birds. No doubt there'll be some baby Indian mynas on the scene soon. The hooded crow, always on the lookout for a good scavenge. The Indian roller, also known as the blue jay, is mainly found in the Indian subcontinent. Its area stretches from Iraq to Thailand. The Asian pied myna is a species of starling found in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. They're not as bold as the Indian myna, also a species of starling. The white-cheeked bulbul has an orange vent, but this is a red-vented bulbul, which is a resident breeder across the Indian subcontinent. This red-vented bulbul has established itself in Dubai as well as New Zealand. It's included in the list of the world's 100 worst invasive alien species. We made a visit to Dubai Zoo, which was not a very pleasant visit really. I understand though that there are now plans in place to rehouse the animals in an open safari on a large area of land. I did take some video of this bird exhibit, which included the black crowned crane, demoiselle cranes, the white stork and I think a green peacock. The white stork is a long-distance migrant between Africa and Europe. The demoiselle cranes are the smallest and second most abundant crane species. This could be a grey or black crowned crane. I'm thinking black crowned crane as they're the only cranes that can roost in trees because of a long hind toe that can grasp branches. We visited Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary on a hot June afternoon. There were a number of birds on the reserve and I did manage to take some rather hazy video in the bright sunlight. Most of the birds were some distance from the hide, but it is possible to see the flamingos, grey heron, egrets and spoonbill. This grey heron is putting on a great display, perhaps it's for a female. Perhaps this is a little green heron. This Kentish plover and black-winged stilt were much closer to the hide. It is great to have this wetland reserve in the midst of a sprawling city and fast traffic. The taxi driver had trouble finding it and it was so late when we arrived that we didn't have long before it closed. It's not far from Dubai and the entrance and hide we visited were just off a major highway. We hope to visit again and perhaps get to all 3 hides next time we are in Dubai. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to view our still photos, please visit our website. Canvas prints, cards and magnets of these pictures and more can be purchased on our website. http://jrphotography.webplus.net